How to log in to Charter Spectrum. Now in order to log in to Charter Spectrum, you just simply need to open any of the browser that you use, and after opening your browser, search for Charter Spectrum in there. Then this first link of spectrum.com is gonna appear in your screen. Just simply open it. If that link is not opening, try second one. If second one is not working, try the third one. Just simply open any of the link in order to go to the website of spectrum.net. Now, only if you have Charter Spectrum available in your region, you can log into your account. Otherwise, you cannot access the website of Charter Spectrum. After coming to this page, if you have the access of Charter Spectrum in your region, tap to sign in button. Then a new page is gonna appear where you can very easily log into your Charter Spectrum account. Now in order to log in, just simply enter your username in the upper box and enter your password in the lower one. Then after entering your username and password, tap to sign in button. And this is how you can very easily log in to your Charter Spectrum account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.